The AMRC stands for Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre, just opened in Wales about 18 months ago. The Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre is actually quite a large part of the University of Sheffield, originally concentrating on aerospace and automotive industries, but in those 20 years it's grown to encompass all sorts of manufacturing and across all the sectors. And we're starting to take the knowledge that we've gained from working with the likes of Airbus and Rolls-Royce and many other manufacturing companies. We're now applying that to the food and drink industry, so this cutting-edge technology is being used there as well.
My name is Joan. I'm a manufacturing research engineer at AMRC Cymru. I've been here for working about 2 years now. In my role, I'm working with SMEs, dealing to understand what their business is about. And from then on, I take it in simulation with the use of discrete event simulation, basically trying to improve their business overall, making it more efficient, increase productivity, all that stuff.
So the things I really enjoy about my current role are trying to solve industry challenges, working within the food and drink sector on sustainability issues, meeting new people in the sector, and researching latest technologies which can be adopted by the industry.
So in particular the food and drink industry, there's so much scope for innovation and introduction of new technologies and processes. They're looking at constantly new ways and new things to implement within their processes, so there is a lot of actual research and engineering and development that goes on, and it's a lot more exciting than it might seem from the outside looking in.